24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spend the weekend getting even new. We spend the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all.
So it was 2005, we were in class 7th. He was new admission to my school. And I just saw him standing under a tree on the very first day, and I just prayed to God, Bhagwan, ye new admission meri class mein ho. And then first lecture started and there was no sight of him. And then suddenly he came and said, "Ma'am, may I come in?" And I was like, wow.
Play me close, cause girls like you run around with guys like me. Sundown when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun, yeah. Me too, now when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
I almost waited for 3 years for him to propose me or convey his feelings. But he was so shy कि वो मेरे पास आके भी नहीं बैठता था क्लास में.
That was class 10th and हम लोग एक स्कूल ट्रिप पे गए थे और जब मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ में बहुत बिजी था.
या मेरे लिए बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं था. and I was so upset that day.
और ये बहुत गुस्सा होकर एक कोने में जाकर खड़ी हो गई. अपने हेडफोन्स लगा रखे थे. यस. So
he came from behind.
मैं इसके पास आया और इसके हेडफोन्स उतारे. Instead of I like you, I said I like blue.
और मैंने कहा क्या? और वापस I just blushed and walked away. And उसको समझ नहीं आया उसने क्या किया. And then he also went.
Girls like you, oh हमदम बिन तेरे क्या जीना. Girls like you, oh हमदम बिन तेरे क्या जीना. Dum da da dum da da mast mast da da dum da da dum da da mast mast da da dum da da hum dum. Oh हमदम बिन तेरे क्या जीना. Dum da da dum da da mast mast da da dum da da dum da da mast mast da da dum da da hum dum. Oh हमदम बिन तेरे क्या जीना.
I guess we were in class 7th only, 7th or 8th. And then so we used to travel through same bus. So bus वाले पहले इनको उतारते थे and then मुझे.
So मैं हमेशा से इसका घर देखना चाहता था एंड मैं जब इसकी बस मुझे ड्रॉप करती थी तो मैं अपनी साइकिल लेकर और इसकी बस का पीछा करता था ताकि मैं इसका घर देख सकूं. और लिटरली मैं 5 किलोमीटर्स का घर था मेरे घर से एंड बहुत ट्राई करता था कि मैं कैसे भी इसके घर पे पहुंच जाऊं. पर आधे रास्ते से मेरे को वापस से अपने घर आना पड़ता था क्योंकि मैं बहुत थक जाता था ऑब्वियसली. एंड घर आते ही मैं सोचता था शिट यार मैं क्यों नहीं इसके घर पे पहुंच पाया.
ये लिटरली मुझे हंसाया इसने.
Da da mast mast da da dum da da dum da da mast mast da da dum da da hum dum. Oh hum dum bin tere kya jeena. Dum da dum da da mast.
So I have few things which annoys me about him. First, that he's always late. Second, he's hungry every time. He needs food after every 2 hours. Third, he takes his dinner at 11:30. I think he's always gonna keep me waiting till he comes back home.
So there is only one thing which irritates me a lot, that she is very impatient.
Bin tere kya jeena. Dum da dum da da mast mast da da dum da da dum da da mast mast da da dum da da hum dum. Oh hum dum bin tere kya jeena. Dum da dum da da mast mast da da dum da da dum.
So this childhood crush and affection turned us into best of friends. We shared every secret of our lives, and that's how we grew. So what made us together was his compassion, love, and patience for a girl who was so ambitious, so impatient. So जब पापा ने पूछा कि बेटा शादी का क्या सोचा है, तो I told them I always wanted a person who has same qualities as you. I want someone who is earthy, human, noble, and I only find such qualities in Ashish. So he said, बेटा फिर क्या problem है, इसको done करते हैं. And that's how it just got finalized, and we are here stronger than ever, intact together.
सो ये चीज़ तुम्हें नहीं पता थी, that I always loved you and I will always love you.
I love you too.